We have just spent the whole day with our buddies. I'm so tired. We played volleyball. It was great but very sweaty. Right now we're in the meeting room. It's allowed AF, but you know.
Where is that soda? There!
I haven't been filming all day because I feel like it's really awkward to like whip out my camera during class. I'm already drawing enough attention as it is to be a foreigner. But right now we're going to fill up our drink bottles because it's so hot. Where should we go? Where is it? Whoops. Everybody's looking at me. I'm so scared. I'm gonna go to jail. Oh no, we're so close to the classroom. I'm out of breath. I saw my reflection in the glass. I was like, oh my god, somebody's filming here as well. It's me.
You're an idiot.
It's me. Hello. It's me.
What music is that?
Wow, this is such a pretty shot of you. I love it. Hogwarts, but Japanese. Look at how cute my little old bento is. It's all wrapped up. Let's do an unboxing. This is really hard to do with one hand. This is like an ice pack and it's squishy. Imagine if I popped it. Ah! Okay, so you open it and you get a little ice pack. These are like little toppings that you put on the rice.
It's also poison.
It's minion flavored.
Poison.
It's minion flavored.
Poison.
It's minion flavored.
Poison.
Oh, I'm gonna turn it around. Look how cute it is. And I also got a little set. Look at it! My Melody. It's got like forks and spoons and like chopsticks.
Oh no, I'm sorry, I mean like
It's so, oh, it's in the shape of a flower. The edamame. Oh, this is so nice. Expectations versus reality. Yeah. beef.
dead.
They look like beef. What's up, guys? We have arrived at Nanda Plaza Hotel. I would have filmed the goodbye, but it was just lots of crying. It was a tragedy. But it was really nice. We went from Kyoto to Osaka, and now we're just gonna check in and then
Hopefully just chill out. I don't want to spend my money.
so yeah, I'll update y'all if we go anywhere. Probably we're like settle in and then raid the free stuff.
Room tour.
Yeah. Nah, we'll probably like look at the free stuff in the hotel room. Doubt it.
Steal it.
Steal it, and then probably go like out to the store.
just like steals everything that you can like possibly take. It just like grabs like the tap, like the faucet. It's just like, it's mine now.
Takes the TV. What?
Fits in my bag.
Yeah. Let's look at the view. I thought that was a rice cooker and I was like, yes. That is where Daruma-san falls out. Oh, whoa. Oh my. We bought onigiri and then I think I bought ramen. Yeah, I did. And then she got udon. And oh, this is,
It's hot.
she hot.
Jinx.
And then we got ice cream and then I think that's about it. She eating good tonight. Try to open it. Oh yeah, we opened the fridge expecting food. Nothing's there. So we went down to the Family Mart and also the vending machine and we just stocked up. Let me show y'all.
This is a rip-off Golden Gate time.
Lit.
Right here. It's not.
We can close the fridge properly. We bought like, it's mainly water, but we had like milk tea and we have ice cream in there and a few onigiris and lollies and chocolate. But yeah, I'm gonna try the rip-off Golden Gate time. What is it called?
Chocoban. I don't understand.
Yeah.
I'm confused.
I'm really confused. I tried this earlier. It looks like a jelly. It is a jelly, probably. But it's not chocolate. It's not coffee. It's red bean flavor. It tastes nice, but the texture really puts you off. I think it is some kind of cookies and cream mochi. There was, I think, a normal chocolate one. But there's only 2 of them. It's like $2. Where's my phone? Can I Google check? I can't open any of these. Help me. I got it. I got it. Oh, it comes with like a little stick thing. You get like a little fork thing. Oh. Wow. I don't know how to explain this. It just tastes, it's nice. I'm just gonna leave it at that. It tastes nice. All in all, this, this, I probably give it like a 6, maybe 7. It's alright. I mean, it's worth a try. When you are in Rome, do what the Romans do. Yeah, that's the saying. Ooh.